Okay, so we're in this little Patio das Calhandras. Kind of cool. And we got some nice music as well. So we're just gonna kind of show you this patio real quick. Then we're gonna come around and show you where that music is coming from. And then we're also gonna walk down this little Invernahio street as well and kind of show you that as well. So we kind of get a lot of little cool stuff everywhere in here. And we're gonna highlight, and actually way in the distance you can see Grand Lisboa Casino. So, okay. So anyways, that's kind of the context of where we are. And we're gonna be focusing on this street right here. This little patio. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so this one in Chinese is called mountain hemp. So that's kind of interesting. And then the other one is Calhandras isn't translated, so I don't know. If you know the Portuguese translation for that, let me know. So we're gonna walk down that street in a moment. And we also got some nice music right over there. So we're definitely gonna hear that as well. And then this is kind of the Invernahio Ocean. This is, we're gonna focus on, we're gonna go down this whole little space in a little bit and go all the way around. So, so stay tuned for that. Patio dos Calhandras. Give you some context of everything. Helps. I should not speak so loud, I guess. This is all new. Like this is brand new. They haven't even lit it yet. It's like later that'll all go around, right? So it'll be kind of a cool little space. Somebody put their umbrella there. Chairs here. So I think this is going to be kind of a small little alley. So we'll try to focus as much as we can on this space. I'm not sure this little space there. And this is actually the end of it. So that's the end. It goes right up against this wall. Actually, this one actually has stairwells that go all the way up. So in the past, maybe you could go up into the wall a little bit and go up into that, right? So that would go kind of interesting. Okay, so our street's kind of small, which is okay. So what we're gonna do now is just kind of give you a little bit of, we'll just kind of show you what's around here, including the music. Kind of patio. So this is kind of the entrance right here. Patio Calhandras. So, okay, let me just see here. So that one is called Our Lady of Emporo. So that's in Portuguese, it's the street of Our Lady of Emporo. And I think what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go down this alley a tiny little bit. So we're just gonna go down and around like that. Just kind of highlight some of the artwork as well. Bamboo and rattan shop. And we're gonna definitely check out that music in a moment. Going down Our Lady of Amparo. And we just got lots of little cool stuff everywhere around this alley. There's the artwork is kind of interesting here. You got Macau Tower right there. So some Macau's buildings. See no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil. So the ones with the guitar, ones with the microphone. Then you got a Portuguese ship right in here. Then you got a lantern that's everywhere in Macau. Actually, I should just focus on this street. So kind of cool. And then in here, this is Invernahio, which is like Street of the Herbalist. So this one is all antique shops, kind of stuff like that. Some cool artwork as well. And then this particular street, they do a lot of like games. So it's gonna go briefly down. And then there's like a public bathroom over here, a bunch of birdhouse stuff here. So all this stuff is stuff like that too. So we have all these birdhouses here. So kind of cool. Cabeza de Dorna. So we're gonna come back. So I guess Dorna starts where that artwork is at. So we're gonna come back to that area. So this Dorna and Venarios, and then we have our alley over that way. So that Dorna goes all the way down in that space as well. I'm just gonna keep on going back. We're gonna catch some of that music as well. Give a little context. Temple right there. Let me show you that too. Cafe, coffee shop. Kind of a cool space. So we're kind of giving you some more context around that alley as well. Then of course we got some music up here. So we're gonna highlight on that music as well. More little alleys, becos. And we got some nice music as well. And our alley was that one right there. And then we got also some really nice buildings as well. And we're gonna check out this vroom vroom in here. It's got lots of traffic here. Focus Street was down this way. Traffic is a little bit tough, so I don't want to stay too much in that area. But that was our target street right here. So maybe a little bit of a short one. The traffic is it's all that noise, right? So somebody's stopping it, but okay, so I guess we're gonna end it right there. So you kind of got a little bit of feel for that. There's that looks like a traffic jam right there. So we do have all these kind of interesting alleys everywhere in here. And that was our target street right there. Let's end it right there. And then that's where the music is at right there. Pretty cool space. Really cool space. So that was our space. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Yeah.